This video I'm going to show you how you can make a prepaid discount in Shopify. First of all, we head into our discount setting right here. As you can see, I don't have any discount, so I create. And I want to create this one, amount of products. And after here, I can type in my Discord, or I can generate a random one. After this, I want to select if the discount is a percentage or a fixed amount. I want to go with fixed amount, and I want to type in, I'll go with percentage, and I want to go with 30% off. And I can click that it applies to specific collections, or I can click that it applies to specific products. So now I want to do this with this product, and I want a minimum purchase amount to, let's say, 1,000. And then you can add all customers, or specific customer segments. I want it to be eligible for all customers. And you can maybe say that you can add a limit number of time this discount can be used in total, or limit time to one per user per customer. I want it to be only one for one customer. And you can also combine this with product discounts or order discounts or shipping discounts. I don't have any other, so I don't select this. And as you can see, my start date is right now. And I can also set an end date if I want that, but I don't want that, so I just click save, and I have now created my prepaid discount.